I was trying to record in peace, and she jumped on me. Be quiet up there. Quiet up there. I'm doing a food thing. Shut up. Okay, so we got tzatziki flavored kettle chips. Journey to Greece, best by October. But get away! No, get away from me. She's trying to land on the chips. Get away. You're not a bat.
She's not trying to be like that.
Look at why she's hanging down upside down like a bat then.
She's only looking down. She's not staying that way.
She thinks she's a bat.
No, they stay like that for like hours.
You mean days?
Days, yeah, they're retarded.
They live like that. What do you mean they're retarded? That's how they live. That's how they stay.
It's retarded.
Well, it's not. It's just upside down. They're bats.
They dumb.
You dumb.
They dumb. They live in
You dumb. That's what they do. That's how they're made.